How to fix Rainbow Six Siege not available at this time on PS5. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can fix this error. So you can find Rainbow Six Siege on Steam for free. So you can just go ahead and click on the free to play or play game option. And if you want to buy the Elite Edition or Ultimate Edition, that's completely up to you. So you can just download the application from here. Now, if you have the app and you want to connect it to your PS5 account, there's one thing you can do. So go to a web browser and go to ubisoft.com. And here you're just going to have to search for 6Cs. And you can directly connect your PlayStation from here, so you can download it to your PlayStation. Or what you could do is go to your profile icon at the top right. And then from here, go to account management. And from here, all you need to do is find your PlayStation account. So go to account info, scroll down until you find linked accounts, and just scroll to the side and find your PlayStation network. Click on link, click on continue, and just make sure to connect your PlayStation account with your Ubisoft account. You're just going to have to enter all of your PlayStation account's details, like your email address and then password. And once that is done, you can download 6Siege from Ubisoft to your PC, and then your PlayStation account will also be directly connected to it. Then what you can do is go to the new tab and search for PlayStation Store, hit enter, and go to the official PlayStation Store right here. Now you can just search for Rainbow Six Siege. If you don't find it on the homepage, go to the search bar and then simply search for Rainbow Siege 6. Now find the game right here, click on it, and then download it from here. You can download it directly to your PlayStation and start playing. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.